Just listen to that. Man, it's coming down sideways.
Bienvenue and welcome to the adventures of Timmy Leger. This summer's forecast looks like a full Sandport adventure as I travel 8,000 kilometers across the country on my bike to raise funds for children's cancer research and care and water development in Africa. This is the most recent on the adventure.
Alright, so I'm set up here. Got my little laptop set up. Had an amazing sleep. Made me breakfast. Honestly, this guy's like a lifesaver. It's raining sideways right now. Currently up to 60 km/h winds today. And yeah, it looks like I'm gonna be looking forward to an afternoon bike, if anything. Or this will be the day that I edit and really get everything out. Because biking is, I mean, it's in the right direction, so I might at the end of the day just give her a shot. It's all up in the air. We'll see, take it 1 hour at a time. Just listen to that. Man, it's coming down sideways. Oh yeah. Biking today. So now I'm waiting to get some prints for posters on the side of my bike. I couldn't get it done in St. John's, but I'm doing it now. Better than ever. Just in case you want.
It goes a little northeast, right?
Yeah.
Northwest. There's no wind here, man. Wind higher up, but that's on the trees, right?
Yeah.
It's more open to the barren land, so you get hammered with the wind.
Yeah.
But here you get more high hills like this and trees.
So,
Right there.
yeah, next to H.
I can't see that.
Oh shit. Sweet, man. Thanks.
In all honesty, I could have given it a shot and tried to get to Gander that afternoon, but the winds were upwards of 100 km/h in St. John's, and it's very unpredictable to be biking in Newfoundland, so I decided to take it easy and get an early start the next morning. Shout out special to Robert Carroll, who actually housed me for an extra day. Mad respect to the guy, and the world would definitely be better with a lot more people like him. Alright, thanks for watching the adventures of Timmy Leger. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure.